Today I'm gonna show you how to do curls with curling iron. So today we're gonna do a curls with curling iron. So first we have to have 100% dry hair, and second is like you need some pre-styling products, which is I like to use the heat relief. And then before you apply any hot tools, you will spray it down to the hair and evenly brush it out. Just make sure the hot temperature tools not gonna damage your hair really much. And second is like we're gonna prepare some hair clips to section out your hairs. I like to go from like the up to the ears and then clip away the hair from the top. Perfect. So we're gonna section out our hairs. So there's two ways for using curling irons, and then I'm gonna show you for each side, which is easier for you guys. So for this side, we're gonna do is section it out the hair, and then using the clip it, and then turns the way like following the clip. Then if you go like against it, you're gonna have an ink from that. So we do one side and I will just alternate another side. You can see the difference. So clip it a little down and you want to turn it, hold a little bit, loosen a little bit, and then go down again. Wrap it up, go down to the end, wrap it up, and then if you can, you better do a wrap. If you can't, just like lose it. And then you put it away. For another side, it goes to like different way, and then wrap it, goes down, wrap again, and you can just lose like that. You're gonna hold still already. For this side, I'm gonna show you some easy ways that you can do at home that everyone can do. So, still gonna focus on this clip over here. So what you're gonna do is, from the roots, just wrap it up the hair until the ends. Don't burn your hand. You can turn a little bit, close the roots, and then just hold for like a couple seconds, depends on your temperature. And then you'll let it go. You're gonna have the perfect curls over there. So for this side, it's wrapped up. Go close to your roots. So this way looks more like a smoothed out curls, and this way looks more curly. So if someone looks for like a little more dramatic curls, I would say like wrap it up is a good idea. And then we're gonna do the top sections again. Section out the hair. Clip it away. And don't take too much hair, in case like not every piece gonna be evenly heated, and then you will have some hair doesn't curl. Okay, so same before you brush it out, we spray some hairsprays to control it. Then you can use your comb or your hand to brush it out. Perfect. Subscribe for more tutorials and see the products below.